Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming exactly why Microsoft suspended your rewards account and when. This matters because responses differ by cause. Sign into account. Microsoft. Com and open the message from Microsoft, then locate the listed violation, region, and suspension date. Once done, document the account email and any linked Xbox or Office subscriptions, since Microsoft ties rewards to those services. Make sure to take screenshots as evidence. Doing this first reduces wasted steps and sets up a focused appeal or remediation plan moving forward. Now you gather proof that disproves or mitigates the suspension claim. This is where your screenshots, receipts, and activity logs become crucial. Download account activity and privacy dashboard records to capture timestamps and IP addresses, because Microsoft looks for patterns like fraudulent points or bulk account activity. Next, open the rewards suspension appeal form, fill every field clearly, attach your evidence, and explain why the suspension is incorrect or what corrective action you took. Make sure to reference specific dates and devices to speed review. To finish, monitor your email for the decision and allow 7 to 14 business days, and check spam folders so you don't miss correspondence. If the appeal is approved, confirm points and access. If denied, escalate via Microsoft support chat and reference your appeal ID, or post a concise request on official social support channels to prompt review. As a troubleshooting tip, if you still can't resolve it, create a support ticket with logs and insist on agent escalation. Preserve politeness, but be persistent to get manual review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.